Today I am going to be showing you how to make dice links in Monopoly Go mobile game. It is a pretty easy thing to do, so let's get started. First, open the Monopoly game in your mobile phone. Then click on the Friends option given down below. Now you can see there are three options: Add Friends, Timeline and Leaderboard. So choose the Add Friend option. You can invite your friends through contacts by connecting your game with Facebook, and also invite the friends by clicking on the Invite option. You can also invite your friends by sharing the code through WhatsApp or any other application. When they join, you can get dice through links. In this way, you can make dice by inviting your friends through game link.